How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here, and these are the best Android apps for the month of December. As always, all these apps are super useful, so make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 2000 likes on this video, so drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first off we have Poster Maker. This application allows you to create your own social media post, banner, logo, Instagram stories, invitation cards and more. With hundreds of different templates to choose from, you can easily create your own poster by using this app. All you have to do is just select the template that you like, and now you can easily customize and replace all the elements that you see. Other than this, it also offers different categories to choose from, and even you can create your own poster from scratch. There are tons of free templates available, but to make use of the premium ones, you need to watch an ad to collect free coins. So if you're into content creation, or if you're looking for a way to promote your business online, then you should definitely try out this application. It is totally free in the Play Store. Direct Chat is an application which enables chat bubbles on your phone. Basically, this feature comes with Android 11, but in case if your device is still running on Android 10 or older versions, then you can download this application and enable chat bubbles on your device. What it does is, whenever you receive any message, you will get this little floating bubble icon on your screen. You can tap on it to send a quick reply. You can swipe it around on your screen and then drag it down to remove it. In the app, you get the option to customize the chat bubbles, and you can also select all the applications for which you want this feature to be enabled. All in all, it's a very useful application and I will highly suggest you to give this one a try. Alright guys, next up we have Volume Notification. This application helps you to access your volume slider directly from the notification panel. So now you don't have to press the physical volume buttons to increase or decrease the volume. All you have to do is just open your notification panel, and below you will find the volume controls for all different sound profiles. Guys, this application is super useful, and I am sure a lot of you don't prefer using physical buttons on your phone. So for those of you, this application is definitely going to be a lifesaver. Next up, we got an application called Bitlit. Bitlit is a place where you can find all the latest wallpapers, icon packs and widgets for your phone. Basically, it's like a news app which informs you about the latest customization apps that are currently available on the Play Store. So if you love Android customization and want yourself to be updated with the latest icon packs, wallpaper apps, widgets for your phone, then this app is just perfect for you. Trust me, once you start using this app, you will surely discover a lot of customization apps for your phone. Finally, we have a wallpaper app for this month, which is LitWalls. LitWalls is a free app that has a wide collection of 4K and HD wallpapers for your phone. The app comes with a very clean interface and provides you with some really high quality wallpapers, which will definitely make your home screen more beautiful and attractive. Apart from these amazing wallpapers, you also get a separate section for live wallpapers, which in my opinion looks absolutely gorgeous. And I am sure you will not find these kind of wallpapers in any other app. All in all, if you're looking for some fresh wallpapers for your phone, and also if you like animated live wallpapers, then definitely download this app. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some best Android apps for the month of December. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.